Okay, I don't really have a hairbrush or glue, I didn't think. But as you guys can see, my hair is really short and I have short bands. If you want to push this aside, one clip, and a tap. That's all you're going to need for these hairstyles. Okay, the first one, I should get a hairbrush. I don't know. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. But, so first you just want to brush your hair out really quickly. Mine's wet, so it's maybe a bit harder. I don't know. Okay, I have a big knot right here. Just have to make sure your hair is tangle free for this. You know, if you have like no more tangle spray, that might help a little. Some of these you may need hairspray for, but not really. If you think you'd like to have hairspray for you, you can. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take this little part of this hair, and I'm going to just brush it back like this, trying to keep the rest down. Now some of these you look like a little kid, but other ones are pretty cute. And you don't really look like a little kid. So you pull it back. I think it's easier just to pull it back and then to brush it just to smooth it out. And try not to have any bumps in your hair when you do this, like any imperfections. Sorry. Okay, so you brush out the back. I need to turn around, so sorry if you can't hear me, so I'll put it like subtitles, but you probably can't hear it. Okay. That turns it out. Just go lift this up and brush down the hair underneath. Okay, so then taking your one hair tie, just going to there you go. Tie up and just brush out around the bottom. Wow. There you go. This is a really cute look. It's really fun. So this one I have a stage hair component. See, and then I have this here, this side right there. If you do have a bump or something, like say you have a bump here, then that's why you have trusty clips. Okay, this is a really failed video because I have like no equipment or anything. I don't have my hairbrush. This is worthless. I used it because I don't need a hairbrush. But yeah, I'm going to make a part 2 to this video and actually have spas. Bye bye.